guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Marian Elise, and today I'll be showing you how to style your lace frontals. Before we get started, let me tell you about this hair. So this hair is from HJ Beauty. It's their curly lace frontal wig, and I bought it in the length 28 inches. As you can see, it's pretty long. And yeah, so let's get into the video. took a lot of time to make it. My camera shut off 3 times in between, y'all. Like, whatever. Be sure to check the description box for the link for this hair, y'all. I did a whole video, a review on it, and I love it so much. It's a little poofy right now because I've been playing in it so much for this video. So I'm gonna go and try to revert it back to curly after I finish filming, because make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to share it with your friends because I know y'all love curly hair just like me. Curly hair gang. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for my social medias. Be sure to follow me on there and let me know what y'all want to see next. Bye guys. Bloopers. Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be sharing. So let's get into the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Curly hair gang. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. Also, don't forget to check out the description. Why does it keep making me? I really hope you can now. How should I say bye? Bye guys. Bye. Bye bye. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista.
Hasta luego.
Y'all heard my sister. Hi. Marion out. Marion.